nice to see you again. 만나서 반갑습니다. This is the free Korean channel. Until the last video, we learned the basics of reading and writing Korean final consonants. In this session, we will explore the 7 representative sounds of the Korean final consonant, which is the most important feature of the final consonant. Today's learning objectives. First, understand the 7 representative sounds of Korean final consonant. Second, read and write words containing the final consonant. I hope you to achieve all the learning objectives by the end of this video. Here is the index of today's video. Now, let's look into today's topic. Okay, let's explore the 7 representative sounds of Korean final consonant. In the table below, you will find representative sound and final consonant, like this. To briefly explain, you should pronounce the final consonant according to the representative sound. And of course, when you write them, you have to use the original form of the final consonant. Let's take the first G sound as an example. In the cell of final consonant, you can see 기역, 키읔, 쌍기역. This means that if any of these consonants is in the final consonant position, you should read it as G sound. For instance, the final consonant of 국 is 기역. So naturally you read the final consonant as G and pronounced it as 국. It is not pronounced as 국 or 국 like English. Not saying the final K sound, you have to block the airflow and say 국 and stop. Do you understand? Let me read again. 국, 국, not 국 or 국. Okay, let's look at the word 부엌. You can see that it has the final consonant 키읔. In this case, the final consonant 키읔 should be pronounced as the representative sound G. So it becomes 부엌, not 부엌. And the word 박, which has 쌍기역 as a final consonant, is read as G, like 박. Okay, the second representative sound is N sound. Only ni은 is pronounced as N sound. For example, 돈 is read as 돈, and 문 is read as 문. The next representative sound is D, which is the most challenging among the Korean representative sounds of final consonants. The reason is that, as you can see, the pronunciation of 7 final consonants is D sound. Memorizing this final consonant is beneficial, but you'd better take time to become familiar over time. Let's go through the examples one by one. 곧 is read not as 곧 or got, but as 곧 with stopping the flow. And final consonant 키읔, 끝, 끝. And 시옷, 못, 못. And 쌍시옷, 샀다, 샀다. And 지읒, 늦다, 늦다. And 치읒, 빛, 빛. And 히읗, 히읗, 히읗. The following representative sounds are L sound and M sound. The consonants pronounced as L and M are only 리을 and 밈. Now let's read the examples of L sound. 발, 발. 살, 살. And M sound. 몸, 몸. 봄, 봄. Next is B sound. Both 비읍 and 피읍 are pronounced as B sound. Let's see examples. 밥, 밥, not pop. And soup, soup, not soup. The final representative sound is 응 sound. 이응 does not have a phonetic value when it is an initial consonant, but when as a final consonant, it produces 응 sound. Let me read the examples. 공, 공, 방, 방. Then let's explore the sound of a final consonant when iung comes after a final consonant. Similar to linking sound in English, when a vowel comes after a Korean final consonant, the final consonant is sent to the next syllable and pronounced with the vowel. In this case, the representative sound is not sent to the next syllable. Instead, the original sound of final consonant is shifted to the next syllable. For example, in 웃음, 이응, a vowel, follows after 시옷. So, 시옷 is sent to the next syllable and pronounced as 웃음. Let me continue. In 떡볶이, the final consonant 쌍기역 in 복 moved to the vowel 이. It becomes 떡볶이. In similar way, 높이 is pronounced as 높이. Now let's practice writing while saying them out. I'll read and write the first column. You can fill in all the blanks. Let me do it. 각, 각, 갓, 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 갑. Please fill all the blanks left. Next, I prepared 8 basic words including the final consonant we'll learn today. Let's learn one by one. First, 부엌, 부엌, which means kitchen, and 밖, outside, 빛, light, 숲, forest, 못, nail, 끝, the end. 떡볶이, 떡볶이. By the way, 떡볶이 is a popular Korean food made with rice cakes and red pepper sauce, incorporating various ingredients. And then 높이, height. Okay, now it's time for a dictation task. Listen carefully and write the words I say. Since you cannot assume the exact letter by hearing the final consonant, I'll provide the meanings along with the words. Number 1. 빛, 빛, light. Number 2. 숲, 숲, forest. Number 3. 끝, 끝, the end. Number 4. 못, 못, nail. Number 5. 밖, 밖, outside. Number 6. 부엌, 부엌, kitchen. Number 7. 높이, 높이, height. Number 8. 떡볶이, 떡볶이, 떡볶이. Okay, let me show the answer. Here are the answers. Okay, well done. Today's video are over. Thank you for your hard working. Today we explored the 7 representative sounds of Korean final consonant and discussed linking sound when a vowel follows a final consonant. Thank you for watching it again and see you in the next video. 안녕.